I love you, Lisa, so much. And just be Jax if you ever see this.
Wait, yep. There's definitely, yeah. I love it though. Yeah. It's so catchy. So there's 5 of them.
It's some California love. I've been riding through the city in the Cadillac, getting faded off the Remy. Had a ugly little past, nowadays sitting pretty. I know I made mistakes, I just hope you can forgive.
What up? What up? What up, world?
Happy Monday, y'all. Love y'all.
Mixing it up as always.
We are mixing it up. Love you guys. I love you guys.
That's what you were thinking about there?
Yeah.
Interesting. Very cool. Well, I'm excited. And speaking of love, Brandon.
I'm not always gonna be here to just like pick up your corny dad jokes.
Dad, don't tell jokes. You can't tell jokes. You never could tell.
Not corny. I think they're great.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm joking, yeah, but it's pretty cool. Speaking of love, Ronald, we are reacting to
MONSTA X Love music video.
Dropped April 26, 2022.
And so exactly 1 month ago from recording.
They're right there, man.
And we haven't reacted to a MONSTA X song.
Long time.
Been a very long time. But that's what Mix Up Monday is all about. So I'm excited. Appreciate all of you guys for just being with us on this journey. Continue to let us know. Shout your opinions in the comment section of who you want us to continue to look into or check out for the first time. We love to read it. Aside from that, love your guys' selves as always.
Spread good vibes. The world definitely needs it. A lot of tragedy has happened, so keep the good vibes. Be one good person. You never know who you might be impacting.
And who needs it, yeah.
But appreciate the love, support. If you can, hit that sub button. You know what it is. Check us out on Patreon. Great stuff there. Have a great week. Let's get after it. It's a new month. Go after your dreams.
Let's go, baby. Mix Up Monday, MONSTA X Love. Check these boys out.
Good vibe gang. 넌 사랑이 뭐라고 생각해?
What do you think love is?
Oh. I'm gonna pause.
I was just about to pause.
Okay, what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, I don't remember the very first song that we did react to MONSTA X, but this song hits on so many different rhythms and beats, is one of the reasons this is definitely one of my favorites I've seen in a long time for a Mix It Up. The very beginning, that old school rap sounds kind of like a YG, like early 90s, late 80s type of rap, and then it get into a little bit R&B, and then it gets into, well, it's like hip hop, then R&B. I'm a big fan of the different vibes.
Yeah.
What were you gonna say, Ronald?
I was gonna say that the old school vibe definitely makes sense. Like as soon as it kicked in, it was like this nostalgic feeling, nostalgic vibe.
I find myself saying all the time, whenever we're reacting to a K-pop group, whether it's, you know, BTS or GOT7 or Stray Kids, they have literally some of the best swag and style. I got one of their like wardrobes.
I know. It really is on a whole other, it's a completely different level than like US based artists. I love the streetwear. It's super unique. Anyways, let's do this.
Wait, in the beginning it sounded like No Diggity.
Yeah.
The beat, try singing No Diggity as
No diggity. No
like
doubt.
get
All right.
down. Like, in the
Yeah,
beginning.
yeah.
Did you hear that?
I don't know if you guys heard that, but Michelle was listening, and she said that the song reminded her of No Diggity.
Like, replay it.
Down. All right, yeah. Hold on. Let's run it right back real quick. Starting all the way over. Play.
넌 사랑이 뭐라고 생각해?
This is like YG.
Yeah.
We back again once again. 아직 못 잊어 지나온 시간에 우린 이미
Yeah. Wait, pause real quick.
Down, good.
Yeah. Hold on.
That part. But the sound did sound like YG.
Yeah.
But what's funny is this is
Blackstreet.
No Diggity is like the vibe that I'm getting from them
Yeah.
too. So
Oh, really?
yeah. So hold on 1 second.
Yeah. You know what?
This song is so.
I like to play.
Iconic.
No diggity, no doubt. Play on, play on. Play on, play on. Yo, Dre, drop the verse.
Oh, it's the rap part first.
The homies got at me, collab creations, bump like action, no doubt. I put it down, never stop.
Dr. Dre.
My credit can vouch, a dog couldn't catch me. Who could stop with Dre making moves?
I think it was because of the piano.
But once they do the vocals, it'll be in a second. You're right.
Moving this flavor with the homies Black
Right here.
Teddy, the original rough shakers.
Get down, good Lord. Baby got 'em open all the time. Strictly when she don't play around, cover much ground.
Little dolls. Getting paid is a forte each and every day.
To play away, I can't get
Out of my mind.
Wow.
I think
Wow.
girl all the time.
Okay, yeah, pause.
All right. Pause. All right.
No, go to the other one.
Now,
That's
now
a good song.
It is a good song. Now going back, let's go to 10 seconds of MONSTA X Love. I think this is when it starts. Play.
We love it this time.
Wait, yep.
We back again once again. 아직 못 잊어 지나온 시간에 우린 이미
There's
There's definitely, yeah. I love it though.
Yeah.
That's so catchy.
이제야 찾아낸 너와의 시절 속에 다시 빠져들어 순수했던 나의 너와의 감정을 꺼낸 이 순간
The piano. But then it shifts a little bit.
Yeah, now it's like a R&B.
봄이 계속 지금 이대로 사랑주고 싶어 상처를
알고 또 다시 한 번 더 처음 순간부터 내게 그저만 love for me baby
숨길 수 없어 난 내게 그저만 love for me baby
Wanna love, shot, wanna love, tell me
Wanna love, shot, wanna love
좀 이 순간이 영원하게 기도
So there's 5 of them.
Make me crazy
Yeah. Pause real quick. Can let us know too, how is it broken down? I'm sure you guys might have shared this with us, but just in from like a rap vocal
Yeah, how many
perspective.
rappers, how many vocalists?
Or is there a group where they, I mean, like, listen, like BTS, they all can rap and they all can sing, arguably, right? Like RN and Sugar are funny when they sing, but they can sing, right? So they can do it all, but they're also known for their specialties. I'm actually curious, is there a group that doesn't have that split? Where there's not like, you know, these kind of set personas,
Yeah.
if you will. I'm curious. Anyways, let us know. He has a cane.
Sit back and enjoy the show Feel my rhythm and flow We can take it fast or slow Come to a party 딱 한 번이면 온 다시 내게 BRB You, only you be my VIP
The English rap then.
나를 같이 BIG 더 피하지 못한 단어 같이 BIG 나 역시 거침없이 언제나 hell of the E 사랑 앞에 좀 이상한 예상이
I like it, yeah. The rhythm.
처음 순간부터 내게 그저만 love for me baby
숨길 수 없어 난 내게 그저만 love for me baby
love, tell me, tell me. For the love, tell me. It's just that you wanna get it and it's make me crazy.
That's definitely a vocalist.
Yeah, that's a vocalist, yeah.
Come and get it.
I can kind of see who's vocalist and who's not, but
Sit back and enjoy the show.
Rapper.
Feel my rhythm and flow. We can take it fast or slow.
If you want me, then dance with me.
Step it up, 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 step it up. Step with me, you gotta feel me.
This guy's good.
he sings and raps.
Move my door, I take my sit back and just enjoy our show. Some can but the naked. Cause you're my love for me, baby. Get so off on the naked. Cause you're my love for me, baby. For the love, tell me. For the love, tell me. It's just that you wanna get it and it's make me crazy. Step with me,
Ooh, little Michael.
I know. Even the varsity jacket.
Man, that was a whole vibe. It was like old school feel, but like modern with the singing, rapping together. Like that was some entertaining stuff to watch.
That was.
Like a great music video, and the music itself was banging.
Yeah, yeah.
Love it. Well done, Monsta. Well done.
Love it. Let us know what other Monsta songs you think we should have already checked out or should check out next. Also, just more mix it up stuff.
Yeah, I love getting into this.
I'm so excited. There's so much new music on the way. Obviously, BTS. I am like on cloud 9 when they're gonna drop their comeback.
Blackpink. Oh, I love you, Lisa, so much.
And
Just be Jax if you ever see this.
she's not gonna see it. All right, you guys, but stay blessed. Stay grateful. We appreciate you guys so much. Have a good rest of the day. Spread positivity and good vibes. Don't forget it.
Don't forget that GBG. Always, we got you.
Have a good week. Love y'all. Peace.
If you are not making someone else's life better, then you're wasting your time.
I'm talking.
All stars when we're born. All stars when we fade. All stars when we dropped off. When we get crossing that lane, I give my all to you. That's my everything. I give my all to you. That's my everything. I'm talking. All stars when we fall. All stars when we rise. All stars when we lift off. When we get crossing those skies, I give my all to you. That's my everything. I give my all to you. That's my everything.
A bowling league.
All my life I've been dreaming crazy. Ain't no problem telling life to go. I was young and now grab the mic and now visualize and rocking monster shows.